Okay, now I've sketched a picture up here. This is not the actual location of the point in the XY plane, although it probably isn't too far. The XYZ coordinate space that I've indicated by the three axes here. I don't intend this to be the actual origin. This is just a small picture indicating the X, Y, and Z directions. Now in the XY plane, I sketch a point that's understood to be in the XY plane at x equals 0.71 and y equals 0.69. Of course it's in the XY plane and we're now in 3 space, so the Z coordinate is 0. So that's this point. And we're going to move negative 0.014 units in the x direction and 0.013 units in the y direction to get to this point here. Okay, so the value of Z at this point we've found to be, where in the world is it? We plug this in, we plug 0.35. Okay, so up here, this segment will have a length of 0.35. And now we'll draw a rectangle. And of course, this top being parallel to this side, which is parallel to the x-axis. This is a rectangle. All these points, all these angles are right angles. Okay? Then we draw a rectangle here. Okay, and all these rectangles have sides 0.35. And maybe I'd better label that one inside because of what I'm going to do shortly. And of course this is 0.35 too. 0.35 also, not 0.352. Okay. The x value changes by negative 0.014. As you know, now, if we confine ourselves to the xz plane, or the plane parallel to the xz plane through this point, we get a function that varies only with x, and y stays constant at 0.69. So we've got this curve here, which is x squared y from this point, okay? In the plane through this point parallel to the yz plane, our function is, okay, wait, I said our function was x squared y. If we hold y constant at 0.69, I'm not sure I said that, then the graph is 0.69 x squared. Okay. If we hold x constant, then we get a plane parallel to the yz plane, and the function, the value of z, becomes 0.71 squared times y. Well, this is the square root of 2 over 2, so that the square of this number actually is 1/2, so we have the function z equals 1/2 y. Now I'm going to break and kind of sketch those approximate graphs into this picture and make a couple of other little adjustments. I could do that on screen, but I probably have to block the picture. And it's going to be better if I draw it off screen because I'll be able to draw it a little bit more. And my drawing will represent what's going on just a little better if I can get to the right angle to draw it.